start again. It's a rich thing.
First go to the file and choose open. Select the signature image, click open. Open the channels panel, select the red channel. Now go to the image, adjustments and choose curves. Modify this curve in this manner. Press OK. Hold the control button and click on the red channel thumbnail. Now go to select and choose inverse. Return to the layers panel. Click on the lock icon to unlock the layer. Hide the layer. Then go to the adjustment layer options and choose solid color adjustment layer. Here select your color. Click OK. Now you have your digital signature on a transparent background. We can move the signature to any other documents. Let's see the final result.